Editing with grips gives a quick way to reshape, move, or manipulate objects in AutoCAD. I'll select the gasket, click the top grip, and as I move the cursor, you can see the default active command is Move. I can, however, switch to different commands that use the selected grip as a base point by using the shortcut menu. With the grip selected, I'll right-click, and you can see a variety of manipulation commands. I'll select Copy. And now when I click the midpoint of the right side, instead of moving the block, a copy is placed there. The Copy command stays active, so I'll add another copy to the midpoint of the left side, and press Escape twice to end the command and deselect the block. The grip editing tools can do more than simply copy and move. I'll select the right block this time. Click on the grip, then right-click. This time I'll select Rotate, and now as I move the mouse, the entire block rotates around the grip I had selected. I'll rotate the block so it's facing out. Then do the same thing for the left block. Since this workflow uses the shortcut menu, which is context sensitive, if I select a grip on the square and right-click, the menu options are slightly different, with additional options for manipulating the vertex. Using grips to quickly switch between commands based around the selected grip makes working with them a much more intuitive process and adds power to working with blocks where the grips are originally user-added.